Hey there. Today let's dive into something super important, food security. Imagine a world where everyone has access to enough nutritious food. Sounds like a dream, right? But with climate change, dwindling resources and a growing population, it's a tough challenge. Luckily, new technology is stepping up to save the day. First up, let's talk about vertical farming. Picture skyscrapers, but instead of offices, they're filled with rows and rows of crops. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Vertical farms use 70 to 95% less water than traditional farming. Plus they can grow food year-round, no matter the weather outside. By stacking plants vertically, these farms maximize space, making them perfect for urban areas. Next, we have precision agriculture. Think of it as farming with the help of high-tech gadgets. Drones, GPS, and big data are all part of the package. Farmers use these tools to monitor crop health, soil conditions, and even predict harvests. This means they can use resources more efficiently, reducing waste and boosting yield. It's like having a digital assistant for your farm. Ever heard of CRISPR? No, it's not a new snack. It's a groundbreaking gene editing technology. Scientists are using CRISPR to create crops that are resistant to pests, diseases, and even extreme weather. This means fewer pesticides and a more reliable food supply. Plus, these crops can be more nutritious, helping to fight malnutrition around the world. Aquaponics is another game changer. It combines fish farming with hydroponics, growing plants without soil. Fish waste provides nutrients for the plants, and the plants help clean the water for the fish. It's a closed-loop system that's incredibly efficient. Imagine fresh vegetables and fish grown sustainably in your own backyard. Now, let's not forget about renewable energy. Solar panels and wind turbines are popping up on farms everywhere. They help reduce reliance on fossil fuels and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Some farms are even using bioenergy, turning waste products into energy. It's a win-win for the environment and food production. So why does all this matter? Because food security isn't just about having enough to eat. It's about ensuring everyone has access to healthy, sustainable food. These innovations are paving the way for a future where we can feed everyone without destroying our planet. Pretty inspiring, right? If you're passionate about the environment, keep an eye on these technologies. They hold the key to a brighter, more sustainable future for us all. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you next time.